Okay. No, I actually came only for the free food. I was forced to give a talk. Right, so we are going to talk about Dbic prefetch as it is seen in Dbic at or after 008.250, which was released over a year ago, so everybody should be running this by now. So, what is prefetch? Stuff like that, where you get stuff from your result set. You say that you will prefetch this, and then of this you will prefetch that. And what's going to happen is if you write something like this, basically a looper, the entire thing will happen in only one query. We'll be able to frobnicate the genre without having to issue additional queries. So, but what really is prefetch? Actually, there are so many people that come into the channel that are seasoned users, and they do not really understand what this is. What this is just that. So we change our prefetch to a join without anything else. We add a collapse flag, and then we select extra columns to go with the result set that we already have. Now, this is like scary map stuff that only Matt Trout would write, so it actually kind of looks like this. So what do we have? We have our CDs, and for every column from the CDs table, we have a corresponding slot in the Dbic side. And for every column from the genre table, we have a corresponding slot on the Dbic side, which actually says here that we're going to put this column into the genre object of the CDs object into its ID slot. Right? So this is how the actual column retrieval works after that. Now, collapse is very smart. So here we have, for example, extra stuff that we might not want to retrieve. So we can just do that. We can specify on the fly what we want to actually query from every table. We don't have to do full prefetch. And as I said, collapse is smart. It actually will know that some of the IDs are duplicated and are not necessary and stuff like that. So we can even do this. Our middle selector entirely disappeared. So how will this actually look? When we ask for the artist and ask for its first CD and get the columns of the CD, we'll get nothing. But if we take this object and ask this CD for its genre, we'll get the thing that we were trying to frobnicate, whatever. Right. Now, one last point. We have stuff like this, and we have plus columns here, right? But this is actually the same as this. So we take the selector part on the right, put it in select, and take the destination part on the left and put it in the S. This, by the way, horribly misnamed. Like, I don't even know who to blame. I think it's Chevron. So because Chevron works. So we have this, right? But we can put anything in select. We can put some crazy SQL that just makes like some kind of pivot or whatever, whatever it is. We add some variables to bind the crazy together. And then we still say that whatever this query actually returns, put it in this slot. And this will work. And that's it. Thank you.